brand new feature for our Clickfunnels and Voomly integration was just launched. So I was looking how to use it and I got stunned that I couldn't find it. So after a while, I came up with how to do it with the help of one of the PMs. I cannot give a name, but so what I'm going to be doing in this video is that I'm going to be integrating Voomly and ClickFunnels so you can actually get those interesting forms in the video so they can then get into your email list directly in ClickFunnels. So let me go right there. So I am here on my Voomly account, and normally you will go to the integrations. So you will go into here, your name, and you will go there and you'll click integrations. But the only tool that you see is MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. But we want it in ClickFunnels. So here's how we do it. You're gonna take any video. I'm gonna take one of the videos that I have from a webinar that I did, and you're gonna click the three little dots and you're gonna go into Customize Player. When you get into Customize Player, you're gonna go here into Interactions. And in Interactions, there is an interaction called Turnstile. So what you're gonna do is that wherever you want the form to appear. So one of the interesting things is that you can put it at the beginning, you can allow 2 or 3 minutes, you can put it there. So I'm gonna put it in the middle to start. So I'm gonna drag and drop it here. You see right away, a form appears in the video. So that means that they cannot play the video without putting this information. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna customize it so you know how to do. So we're gonna click in the video, and in the top, don't worry about the email integration because we're gonna do it directly in ClickFunnels. So the first thing that we're gonna customize is the title text. That is the top text. So please type your best email address. And you can see I can change the size of that font. You want to put it big like that. Now, I have a subtitle. I can eliminate it completely or I can type something. We will not share your details. Now, we have the button on the bottom. You see that right there says submit? Let's say that you're giving them access to a webinar. You give them access to something. You can say, get access now. Let me see something. Can I put an emoji here? Yep, I can put an emoji. Cool, cool. So then, one detail is that you don't want them to skip because what I did is there's an opt-in form so they can opt in. So you're gonna remove what it says skippable. You see, so right now they cannot skip it. If you don't want them to do your name, you can say here, name is not required, and that will be just the email. If you want the name, then you enable the name. Then you can change the labels that you have on top in here. And now what I'm gonna do, you have to save that player because that's what we're gonna put into ClickFunnels. So you're gonna save, and now, I'm not sure if you notice that this button in here light up. You're gonna click the share button, this URL, copy the clipboard. Now we're gonna go into ClickFunnels, and we're gonna go into any of our funnels where we wanna embed this option. And all that we need is a video object. So I already have this funnel here, so I'm gonna click on the video object, and I'm going to paste my Voomly URL. So if I click and save it, now I'm gonna see that when I preview my video, I have my form. So I have the basic stuff ready. Now I have to go back. I want to capture it and know where they're coming from. So let's go back into my ClickFunnels environment, and we're gonna create what is called a workflow. I'm gonna go into the page, And in here is this lightning bolt. I'm gonna click in there, and I'm gonna start with the brand new workflow. Gonna demo Voomly opt-in funnel, and I have to select an event type, something that happened. I'm gonna go into opt-in. I'm gonna say create workflow. Now, the Voomly video gonna be an opt-in form. Now I can do all the great things that I can do in my ClickFunnels environment when somebody opt-in. So when I click the plus sign, I can send them an email, I can tag them. So first thing, I wanna tag them. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna put Voomly opt-in. Now I'm gonna send them an email. I'm gonna use one of my templates. Let's see. I'm gonna choose this one. Welcome from Voomly opt-in. You are in. This is so awesome. And now I'm gonna pick an email account, and I'm gonna customize that email. So you click the three little dots and you come into edit email. Now this is gonna be just a very quick email, just a demo so you can see it. So I'm gonna go here. You are in. I'm gonna pick one of the images. You're one of us. Hi. We got your info. Thanks. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger so we can see it. Okay. And now I'm gonna go back. And now all that I have to do is enable my workflow. I'm gonna click the top. I'm gonna enable it. Now my workflow is ready to go. So let's try this. I'm going to refresh this page. I'm gonna use one of my demo emails, so I'm gonna submit it. And now I'm able to see the video that I'm using. So if this all worked correctly, I should be receiving an email very soon in here. Let's check that the contact got tagged correctly. So I'm gonna go into contact. You see, so right here, the contact got tagged correctly. There we have it. Now we have our email that arrived from our opt-in in Voomly. So my friends, there you have it, how to now integrate Voomly into your ClickFunnels account so you can capture those opt-ins from the videos. My friends, we'll see you in our next episode.